Ano na
Yeah.
pong update
Good
dito sa
morning.
Andaya Highway? Sa pinakahuling report, tama po ba isang section na lang ang kinukumpuni ng DPWH sa area na yan? Kailan po natin ina-expect na matatapos po ito?
Yes, Cha, I think we are actually trying to do the best that we can kasi hanggang ngayon nag-uulan pa din sa Bicol, no? Continuous yung rain, yung pag-uulan doon. And at least nakumpuni namin yung one lane and we are trying to do the second lane na. I hope that we can do it before the New Year. Actually, yung segment of yung second lane actually doon sa Lupi, no? Hindi naman gaano kahaba yung stretch but not just the same. I think it's still a challenge for us kasi nag-uulan and we cannot compact yung mga base at saka yung mga underneath yung pavement at this point in time. So yun lang ang mga pinag-aantabayan namin dyan. If weather will cooperate sana
Mhm.
in a couple of days, then we should be able to finish actually the
Oo,
second.
yun nga din po ang problema, hindi nyo ma-full blast dahil po dun sa weather. Pero Sec, dun sa
Yes po.
pinakahuling mga report, nabawasan na rin po ba kahit papano yung traffic na nararanasan ng mga dumadaan dito sa
Yes
Andaya
po.
Highway?
Yes. Yes po. I think the report is actually medyo it still is meron pa ring traffic management that is being done kasi because it's just one lane po.
Mm.
And we are actually suggesting some alternate routes naman.
Mm.
Pero marami naman yung mga vehicles are using the alternate routes ngayon for the time being.
Mm.
And
Mm.
well, we would like to thank actually Department Ayon LTO and the local government for helping us actually to manage the traffic in those areas.